Well, I thought I would do an update before I went any further. As you can see, I've been painting. So what I've got here, I'll start with the wings, and as you can see, I've put a nice. I'll get it as close to the camera as I can, and I put a very nice metallic red on the top and on the bottom, and I love that sheen and that metallic look, and I'll be keeping that. I'll be putting some nice gloss over that. I'm not bothered about the overspray on the guns because I'm going to paint those black anyway. But that's absolutely beautiful, guys. I'm really happy with how both of those wings look, and so I'll get it right up. There you go, you can really see it now. You know, that looks absolutely beautiful, that, doesn't it? I'm really happy with it as well. But moving on, because I don't really have a lot to talk about here, because I really need to get on with spraying this, which is what I'm doing today. But I've also primed the body, and it's quite boring actually, because that's just the white primer. I always use white primer because white primer shows the true colour of paint. I find that grey primer sort of tones down or darkens the paint really. You know, so I don't bother with grey primer. I always use white primer. If I'm spraying on a white model, then I just add a couple of drops of red to the white primer, and it turns it pink, and you can see what you're doing there. But what I've really got to do on this with my pointer is I've got to spray, and the instruction manual calls out for multiple colouring on this, and I'm going to ignore most of it. But I'm going to spray that green because I've got 3 types of green here. As you can see from there, I have this beautiful like Mr. Colour called it metal yellow green, but it's like a ruby or an emerald green. It's really quite beautiful, and I tried this out already on my Latina queen, on my Latina Amazonian queen. It was absolutely beautiful. And then just a standard metallic green. Come on, camera, focus. Come on, focus. Oh. It's over there, is it? Focus here. And there is there we go. And that's the colour that I'll use for the second one. And then for where the photon torpedo launcher will be, I'll be using this one here, and this is dark green, and this is a nice little green. This is. Don't know what's going on with my camera today. There it is, and this is a nice little dark green, and I'll be using this for along the photon torpedo tube launcher here, because the reason that I'm going to do like an Aztec colouring is these places here where you got these sections here, it's really armour plating, and on here as well, you know, if I can get in the camera, there we go, the famous front here, these here, it's really armour plating, so that should be symbolised with armour plating. So that's really what I'm going to try and do. And the Klingons, whatever process they use to refine their raw ore into metal, it's always green. So that's why I've got these 3 greens, going from a light green for the main base, and then using like a metallic green for everything else, and then for really heavy and sensitive parts of the ship I'll be using this dark green. And then I'll be picking out details, painting spots of red here and bits of pieces here, and doing some detailing all over the ship as it calls out for an instruction manual. And that's really it, guys. I really have got to get on and do some spraying, especially on these wings, because now I've got the like the feathers done. I can mask those back up after I put a sealer coat on it, and then I can spray all the rest of this in this colour, and then start picking out the details with the other two colours. So that's what I'll be doing next, guys. So I'll probably do another update when I've done a fair amount of masking and spraying and painting. So until the next one, guys, you all take care and have an awesome weekend. Bye now.